Welcome back to our channel, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of planking, a simple and versatile exercise that demands nothing more than a flat surface, a few minutes of your time, and your determination. Planking boasts incredible effectiveness. In this video, we're about to unveil the extraordinary benefits that come with daily planking. So stick around till the end because we've got some eye-opening insights for you. Whether you're a seasoned planker or brand new to this exercise, you're in for some valuable information. Let's get started. Planking primarily targets and strengthens your core muscles, which include the abdominals, obliques, and the erector spinae. Weak core muscles are often a leading cause of abdominal hernias. By developing these muscles, you not only enhance your appearance, but also support your internal organs, reducing the risk of hernias. One exceptional advantage of planking is its ability to develop back muscles safely. Unlike exercises like deadlifts that require impeccable technique and carry a higher risk of injury, planking is low impact and offers benefits for both lower and upper back muscles. This not only enhances your aesthetics, but also prevents back pain, a common issue related to underdeveloped back muscles. Another significant benefit of planking is its positive impact on posture. Good posture sends a message of confidence and attractiveness. Consistent planking strengthens core, upper back, neck, and shoulder muscles, all crucial for maintaining proper posture. Regular planking can yield noticeable improvements in just a month. Planking also boosts your metabolism when performed regularly. This helps you burn more calories and tone your abs, potentially revealing six-pack abs in a month when combined with a calorie-conscious diet. Enhancing coordination and balance is another advantage of planking. It engages stabilizer muscles that aren't visible but play a vital role in maintaining balance, improving performance in various sports and physical activities. Now let's delve into some essential aspects of planking. Strengthening core muscles. Weak core muscles can lead to issues like abdominal hernias. Strong core muscles mean a lower risk of hernias. So, plank for that rock-solid core and a healthier you. Developing back muscles. Unlike high-risk exercises like deadlifts, planking is safe. It's not just about the lower back, it also works wonders on your upper back. A strong back not only looks good, but prevents back pain too. Boosting metabolism. Planking regularly revs up your metabolism, helping you burn more calories while sculpting those abs. A month in, you might even see those six-pack abs in the mirror. Breathing techniques. Proper breathing during planking is crucial. Emphasize the need for slow, controlled breaths to maintain stability and prevent unnecessary strain. Progressive overload. To see continuous improvement, consider the concept of progressive overload in planking. Gradually increase the duration or difficulty of your planks as you become more experienced. Incorporating planking into a workout routine. Wondering how to incorporate planking into your workout routine? It can serve as a warm-up, cool down, or as part of a circuit training session. How long should you plank? Beginners start with 15-30 seconds. Never compromise technique for duration. Studies suggest doing multiple sets with proper form is more effective than holding a plank for as long as possible. Contraindications of planking. Pregnant women, individuals with back injuries, hernias, or joint problems in the elbows, shoulders, wrists, and ankles, and those with a tendency toward high blood pressure should steer clear of planking. Safety tips. Remember, safety always comes first. Ensure you're on a comfortable surface, keep your neck in line with your spine, and avoid overarching the lower back. The benefits of planking extend to real-life situations. Improved core strength, posture, and balance can translate into better performance in sports and everyday activities. And remember, stay motivated. Planking requires mental strength and discipline. Set goals and challenge yourself to reach new milestones. For added credibility, it's worth mentioning that scientific studies support the benefits of planking. Seek expert advice or refer to reputable sources for more in-depth information. Let's engage in a conversation in the comments. How often do you plank? Or is this your first time hearing about it? Your insights are valuable. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay healthy and keep yourself planking for a stronger, fitter you.